Look at this sandy beach in Tallinn. Paljassaare, Rannakas. Located just around 6 kilometers from central Tallinn, that is visible from this beach. And currently there is a rock band exercising and playing on the beach. Probably there's going to be a festival later today over here. But yeah, 21 degrees Celsius on this 3rd of August 2024. And I'm out for another beach adventure here in Tallinn. So the Baltic Sea, it is 20 degrees Celsius, I have measured earlier. And now we have stunning sunshine right now, while the forecast said clouds and rain. So I'm so happy that it is amazing weather, so you can see this beach adventure, how good the beach is. And I see some people in the sea. They are walking quite a while to get to a deep point. So I'm just gonna start with my walking into the sea to swim, as I'm showing you also a beautiful view over Tallinn, central part of Tallinn. And this is a industrial area over here, and I hope you can really hear me because of the noise in the background that is coming. So anyway, let's then get going with the beach adventure from Tallinn, Estonia. This is my beach adventure number 4 on my weekend trip in Tallinn. So let's then get away a bit from the noise. And the beach is super sandy and nice, located in an industrial area, and some parts of the beach are with seaweed, but some are clean as we go in here. Yes, Paljassaare, Rannakas. So I see two guys that went in. They are around 100 meters away from the shore and they can still stand. So we have very, very shallow ground here on the beach. And we can see also cruise ships close by, as the port here in Tallinn is divided into several different parts. And yeah, I'm not really sure what kind of festival is this that they are playing, but yeah, I am now enjoying that, what they're going to play later today, I suppose. So Tallinn is located in Estonia. Estonia is the northernmost countries of the Baltic states that lies north of Latvia, and then Lithuania is at the southernmost Baltic country. Those three are the Baltic countries. And they used to be part of the Soviet Union up until early 1990s, when they gained independence, when they created actually the longest, line of people that were holding hands to peacefully protest against the Soviet Union and to gain independence as such. Now all of the Baltic countries are part of the European Union and are quite more progressive than they used to be back in the days, but still you can sense a bit of kind of Soviet feeling at some places that have not been renovated fully, especially in the industrial areas. So yes, beach adventures with Chris in Tallinn. Now I'm around 60 meters away from the shore, and here it is nice place to take a swim. Paljassaare, Rannakas. All right, then I don't think it's gonna get a lot deeper, as I see two people there still walking. So with the view of this Tallinn behind me, and also the beach that I'm visiting now, let's then dive in and enjoy the beautiful day out on the Baltic Sea in Tallinn. Amazing, brilliant. Oh. All right, so yeah, then that's a wrap from this sandy beach in Tallinn, located 5 to 6 kilometers from the center of the city, in the industrial area next to one of the ports of Tallinn. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching this episode with me from Paljassaare Rannakas beach pavilion here in Tallinn, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.